Going green is synonymous with what's good for you, and that's no different at BNI. It is our goal at BNI to support all our members to go green. You receive a member traffic light summary report every month straight into your inbox. This MTL report explains to you how you're performing and how your performance translates to points, which in turn translate to colours on our traffic light system. The first section that is highlighted shows you your current performance and score. Your Mtl rank is what your rank is across all BNI members in the region. You can compare your statistics with the first member in the region and the first member in your chapter to benchmark your performance. The section below this reflects back over your performance over the last 6 months, so you can see how your performance has changed both in a table and graph format. The current stats is a reflection of what you would normally see on your weekly chapter PALMS report at your meeting. The reason results are shared for both 6 months and 5 months is to give you an idea of the actions you may need to take this month to ensure you keep your points up for the month ahead, as all points are calculated on a rolling 6-month period. This is illustrated in more detail in the most useful part of your MTL report in the section below, which highlights the activities you need to do in the coming month to increase your score. The section that is highlighted tells you the exact activity required per KPI to go up by 5 points in that KPI. For example, this particular member needs to pass 8 referrals, invite 2 visitors, have 14 one-to-ones, pass over 22,000 in closed business, and have 18 CEUs in order to go up by 5 points in each of those KPIs. If you follow the suggested actions each month, you are guaranteed to increase and ultimately improve your performance. The second page of this report is always the same. We have provided you with a key which explains what all the various KPIs are that you can get points for. For example, you can get points for your attendance, the number of referrals you give per week, the amount of business you pass, the visitors you invite, the testimonials you give, the one-to-ones you have, and the CEUs you earn. There are only a set number of points you can earn for each KPI, which means that once you have reached the maximum amount of points for that KPI, you cannot earn more points no matter how much higher your performance is in that area. We will explain this in more detail for each KPI, so you understand how your MTL points are calculated. For attendance, the maximum amount of points you can receive for being present at your chapter meetings 100% of the time is 15 points. If you miss 1 meeting in a rolling 6-month period, this will drop to 10 points. If you miss 2 meetings, this will drop to 5 points. And if you miss 3 meetings, this will drop to 0 points. For referrals, the maximum amount of points you can receive is 20 points for passing over 1.5 referrals per meeting, which equates to around 8 referrals a month. What this means is as long as you pass 8 qualified referrals a month, you are meeting the requirements to receive the maximum of 20 points for this KPI. As you can see on the scale, between 6 to 7 referrals a month will earn you 15 points. 5 referrals a month will earn you 10 points. 4 referrals a month will earn you 5 points, and anything below that will not earn you any points. For closed business, the maximum amount of points you can receive is 15 points by passing over 80,000 AED in a rolling 6-month period. No matter how much more closed business you pass, anything over 80,000 AED is all that is needed to achieve the maximum of 15 points. Between 40,000 AED and 80,000 AED will earn you 10 points. Between 20,000 AED and 40,000 AED will earn you 5 points, and below 20,000 AED will not earn you points. For visitors, if you're inviting 2 or more visitors per month, then you are in a position to earn the maximum of 20 points. 1 to 2 visitors a month will earn you 15 points. 1 visitor in 6 weeks will earn you 10 points, and 1 visitor in 3 months will earn you 5 points. If you sponsor at least 1 new member, you will earn the maximum of 20 points for a 6-month period following their induction, regardless of the number of visitors you invite. 1 testimonial or more will earn you the maximum of 5 points. For one-to-ones, if you successfully have more than 6 one-to-ones in a month, you can earn the maximum of 10 points. 5 to 6 one-to-ones will earn you 5 points, and anything below that will not earn you any points for one-to-ones. And finally, CEUs. More than 40 CEUs will earn you 15 points. Between 30 to 40 CEUs will earn you 10 points. Between 10 to 30 will earn you 5 points. And below that will not earn you any points. As you can see, the goal is to work across all of the KPIs to reach the maximum points available for that KPI. Remember, just because you're earning maximum points for a KPI does not mean you stop that particular activity. The BNI Member Traffic Light System is a tool to help you get more out of your investment in BNI and provide you with direction. These points get added together to form your total score out of 100, which in turn marks your position on the traffic lights. 0 to 25 is black, 30 to 45 is red, 50 to 65 is amber, and 70 and above is green. We hope that this report can help you in understanding your score and the actions you need to take on a monthly basis. Please make sure to speak with your mentor or seek out the support of a senior member if you have any further questions. Wishing you all the best on your journey to going green.